The 2007 Honda Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.